No matter how upset you are, family members are innocent bystanders. You have to consider their feelings. They invited you in, and you still stayed angry. That's so embarrassing for them. You didn't even say goodbye when you left. That's just too much. It's not even about respect anymore. You've forgotten basic manners. After saying this, she gave me a disdainful look and then turned to my wife. My wife looked at me, then frowned and said, "Actually, we were at his parents' house, and I was the one who was angry. I skipped lunch and didn't say goodbye to his parents either. I was just too mad at the time." Her friend suddenly looked a bit awkward, scratched her head, and then said to me, "Well, in that case, it's still your fault. Your wife felt hurt and lonely at your parents' house. You should have comforted her. You're the man here, after all."